Extreme caution must be exercised when loading and unloading heavy loads. All calculations must be made carefully, and you must never rush. In this video, after the loads are loaded onto the truck, the driver tries to tighten the ropes holding the loads one last time, but without realizing it, loosens them, causing the loads to fall in a heap. On construction sites and work areas, the greatest dangers are often not the most obvious ones, but the blind spots that go unnoticed. When working around heavy machinery, simply being careful isn't enough. You must be 100% certain that the operator has seen you. In this construction site video, we see just how great a risk violating this rule can pose. Workers standing next to a small pickup truck parked by the roadside appear to be engrossed in conversation. Just then, a large piece of heavy machinery begins climbing the hill alongside them. After moving a short distance, it suddenly loses control and starts rolling backward toward the pickup truck and the workers standing nearby. The stability of the ground is of critical importance during heavy lift operations. In these images, we see a mobile crane attempting to lift a heavy load. However, because the ground is soft, one of the crane's support legs cannot withstand the pressure, causing the crane to suddenly lose its balance and tip upright. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. A minor issue with the ground can lead to major accidents. Working on fuel tanks in industrial workshops carries significant risks. Flammable gases can be present even inside tanks believed to be empty. In this footage, a worker is attempting to cut into a fuel tank with a grinder. However, as sparks fly, the gas inside suddenly ignites. A powerful explosion hurls the worker backward, and flames engulf the entire area. Cutting a fuel tank with a spiral saw while it's still full of gas isn't just a workplace safety mistake. It's deliberately inviting an accident. If you're thinking, "I'd never make such an amateur mistake," or "I always follow the rules," subscribe to the channel now to join the community of professionals and stay safe.